Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide your view history Google Docs on computer. So how to hide your view history Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of Google Docs. Just point the cursor to the top left of the screen. Here there are several menu icon options. Tap this three-line icon. Now several options will appear. And tap the Settings menu. Now you will enter the Settings menu. Here there are lots of options. In the Show Your View History menu section, tap to deactivate it. When finished, tap OK. This feature allows users to hide the view history in Google Docs, so that others cannot see when the document was last opened. With an internet connection. So that's it, tutorial how to hide your view history Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.